Something was about to change, and it started with the biggest political scandal in American history. In 1923, the Sinclair Oil Company was laying a crude oil pipeline across Washington County, Kansas. The pipeline ran from the oil fields of Teapot Dome, Wyoming, to refineries near Freeman, Missouri. This was the same Teapot Dome at the center of the bribery scandal that would send Secretary of the Interior Albert Fall to federal prison. The pipeline trench cut directly across the farm of a 27-year-old named James Dell Cummings, born December 28, 1895, in Moroville, Kansas, a town of roughly 150 people then and roughly 150 people now.